guys, it's Eric again, and we're fishing right now with Emily, Daddy, and me. We're fishing right now, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to try being very quick and showing you three fishing spots that we're going to go right now. So this is our first one. You can see this probably has maybe a good amount of fish, because it's just wide open and we can just throw the rod out. And our next fishing place is here with Daddy and Demi. They're fishing right here under a nice tree near some roots. And our final fishing place is a little bit over here. And it's a little bit right here, and I want to show you guys. And so this is the final fishing place. You can see I kind of got it a little stuck already, but that's okay. And there's lots of roots out here, and you could also throw it out way over there where the fish are. And that's where we should be fishing today. Thanks for watching.